Yeah, still Saturday, the 24th of May. I'm just up here rolling cigs. I don't think anybody's ever asked, but in case you're wondering, I do not roll cigarettes at my house. It can be a little messy with tobacco getting blown around if I got a fan going. And I've got 2 inside cats, and I guarantee you, if I sat down at a table to roll cigarettes, they'd be all over me trying to help and scattering stuff all over the place. So inside the house is not an option. Inside the garage is too freaking hot. And right after I bought my house, I built a small house in the backyard. It's literally a small house, and it's got an air conditioning unit on it, and tile floors, cabinetry. It's a real nice place. I could do it down there, but the wife likes a little house for her things that she does, and I have my little building here, and it's a 5-minute drive from my house. So it's just as simple for me just to come up here when I get a lot of empties and spend a couple hours rolling cigs to refill all my empties, and I'm set for another 2 weeks. And I can sit here and look out my window and watch the birds fly by. I got a bird building a nest in my birdhouse there on the tree. I'm not sure you can see it from here. Went out and checked the garden. I seriously got to get to hoeing, but I got some squash, but they need a few more days for their eating size. And there's 2 cherry tomatoes that ripened up, and ate them both. There'll be some more here pretty soon so I can share with the wife. On the 29th of April is when I bought 160 pounds of bird seed to fill up my bulk bird seed holder inside my little building out there. And I feed every other day now to make sure they clean up what gets spilt on the ground. And I think that 160 pounds will last me a solid 2 months. It's summertime. There's other seed and berries that are getting ripe. So the birds have other food options. Because there's days I come up here, there'd be, 100 to 200 birds at my little bird feeding station, trying to get some groceries to eat. But they've got other options now, so everybody's still happy. So yeah, that's why I roll my cigs up here in my little building. Since I bought my Powermatic 4 machine, I've already rolled 3,000 cigarettes. That's 15 cartons at an average savings of $50 a carton. That's $750 savings right there. I just bought this machine, I want to say about 15 weeks ago maybe. It's on my YouTube channel. So if you're buying factory-made cigarettes, the savings on rolling your own are tremendous. That's one benefit. Second benefit, I use organic tobacco, 100% natural, no additives. Tongue don't hurt, throat don't hurt, lungs feel fine, and breathe exceptionally well. Difference between organic chemical-free tobacco and factory tobacco is night and day. It's surprising. In an ideal world, I'd quit, but I'm on the backside of living, and I don't want to be anxious. So if my only vice is smoking a cigarette, I don't gamble, I don't drink, I don't chase loose women. I smoke, that's it. That's the only vice I got. I think life's pretty damn good. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.